Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. You have found the frame, the AAA gamer, the best in the business, because he's that damn good. And today I'd like to welcome you to my native 4K assault on Ratchet and Clank. Clank, pardon me. Let me check you into the graphics settings hotel. So I am not using frame generation, no upscaling, no dynamic resolution scaling. I am using the native game AA. Flip you over to the rest of the hotel room here. We have every single graphic setting cranked to the T's. As high as they go. Object range on 10. Level of detail ultra. I'm pressing over on the D-pad. None of the settings change further. We got ray tracing very high. I'm going to turn that off because I hate it. Make sure that clicks in. No motion blur. Field of view I left on the default 0. There you are. Let's get down to business, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna go out here and start a fresh one. I'm not the best in the business because I'm good at games. This is a scientific analysis of performance. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to play the frame. Get the schematics up there for you. So I'm gonna run the cinema because it counts as performance.
Report to your nearest intake facility immediately.
With no DLSS, this game almost looks like a CGI movie. It's quite amazing. Probably the only reason why an older fella like me would have took it on for a ride. Attracted to its amazing graphics. And all the PlayStation 5 fans, they all said this day would never come. Well, what are they to say now? Now I know it's not release day, but this is Ratchet and Clank on PC. The politically correct platform and the most frickin' expensive platform.
Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
This game is one of the few games on Windows 11 that supports fast access storage. I believe there's maybe 2 games that use it, and this is one of them. And I believe that you are able to play this with this hardware without DLSS on because of that algorithm. Now, I could be wrong. If you think I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. As always, I will read them. You are the fans, and I do this for you, gals and girls. Guys and girls, pardon me. But without you, I am nothing, so.
Hey, it's okay.
You got any places you want me to bring my hardware?
Just me.
It's your place, too. I'll go there.
Shh. Gotta go.
Let me know in the comments below.
I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
Yes, it is a fine day for the Festival of Heroes here in Megalopolis. Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us?
That looks absolutely
we haven't done
remarkable.
anything heroic in years.
Almost like a Hollywood
Everyone
movie.
thinks we're washed up. Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
All right, let's get down to business.
To the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank.
So if I were to play this, I would have frame gen on with the native game AA with VSync engaged from Nvidia control panel. That way you get native resolution with an extra frame in the millisecond heartbeat.
Haven't seen these guys in ages.
Look at that. Rotate the screen real fast. I do it all the time.
This is a pretty big turnout.
Now,
Even
just
after all
know,
these years,
I
it
wouldn't
is
run this without
exciting.
DLSS on unless I
it
already
is, huh?
tested it, so. Too bad it doesn't let you get closer to those bushes. All right, let's do this.
Yes, folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me, and ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
I believe
Oh,
the
dear.
PlayStation
Must you tell the
5
entire
version
galaxy?
is
Wait.
in some sort of
For what?
welfare
Oh,
checkerboard
you will see.
4K
It is awaiting us
with
at the
quite a
front
lot
of the
less
parade
crowd
route.
members and
Well,
ray tracing.
we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Nell.
But it does use the special algorithm, PlayStation 5 exclusive fast access storage, which is almost faster than even a PC, 20 times more powerful than it. It's all about the developer code. Look at that. Particle effects, point blank range. No, below 60.
That night, Clank
At least not yet.
crashing from the night sky.
It didn't want me to swing on
Rescued
here.
an affected
Swing.
world, and the rest is intergalactic.
I missed the memo on that one. And some firecrackers. Oh yeah. The depth of the texturing on that thing just looks like a Pixar film. Still above 60, wow.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kurwa? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well,
Oops.
once you grab some ammo, of course.
Trying to grab ammo, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think I did it right. There we go. There we go.
I think I found the wombat!
Looks like they're coming to crash our native 4K frame party.
Ratchet, I do not
I
believe
will
this is
say I
part of
don't
the
really
show.
think this game is all that awesome. It's just kind of a pea shooter,
Real bullets.
but it's great for the kids. Especially if they're in the 3D animated movies.
Someone put a bounty on us?
Unreal, look at that. Wow.
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
So I am using the WD Black 850X Something like that anyways. I have game mode turned off on it for this what are we shooting here, baby? What are we shooting here? Oh yeah. Now it is a little bit more violent than Fortnite, but not much. My last.
I would bet the blogs are behind this.
Now
Or
I
the
am
Cragmites,
concentrating on playing, so if you do see it go below 60, do a timestamp comment for me and I'll have a look-see. And real-time cinemas don't count, not gameplay. If it goes below 60 in a real-time cinema, I didn't lose. I'm still the frame king. I do have a mild overclock on the RTX 4090. I do overclock my VRAM by 1,000. It does make a very big difference. Wow! 63, still going.
There, we can glide over.
I just can't believe how much better it looks than the PlayStation 5. Just absolutely eclipsing it. I will say it costs quite a lot of money to eclipse a PS5. And what you don't know doesn't hurt you. You never see how much better a PC game is. You'll stay with your feeble mortal console till the end. I had to buy the game twice. I had it for PlayStation 5, and of course they suck you in and make you rebuy it for PC. I really hate that, but they want to make money, so. But yeah, if you use frame gen or DLSS, you'll get upwards to almost 150, 200 frames 4K or artificial intelligent 4K. Taking them down here, come on. He is quite a bullet sponge. Boom shakalaka.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension.
Still holding.
A mysterious gift from Clank.
One thing that I've really noticed about the
I had a speech prepared,
i9
but considering that our event seems to be
14900
under
KS
assault,
and
I will cut to the chase.
8200 megahertz
I do
RAM
not
is.
know where I would be without you.
You're really
You are
able
my
to play
closest friend.
games in native
My
4K
teammate.
with ray
And
tracing
you have
on
given up a lot
and
to
no DLSS. Not every
I
game, but
prepared the Dimensionator,
a lot
so
more
you
of them
can
than
travel
I've
through
ever seen.
dimensions
That's
and
for
find
sure.
your family.
Check out any of my other videos.
Pal,
You'll definitely see me soaring
What?
to native 4K.
Dr. Nefarious?
I only use DLSS if I have no choice.
What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here.
That is a very complicated ray
We're
trace
meant to
reflection
annihilate
on that
you
guy's
8 minutes
skull.
ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Don't know how much crank he's been doing. If you ever meet any sort of stranger that wants to give you something called crank, don't do it. There's no such thing. Just walk away. Don't do anything named after your buttocks neither. They're bad
Can't
for you.
anyone
Just
print instruction manuals anymore?
stay stone cold sober, yo. There's no hope with dope. This video is brought to you by MSI, Asus, and Gigabyte. Not because they sponsor me, but because I chose them. As always, I have my specs in the description below, so. And go ahead, try these settings if you own this game. If you have hardware that isn't on the same future tier as this. See how you do.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious.
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
I'd rather have a demented nader, making everything I shoot turn demented on them. Oh yeah. It's like when it jumps to more scenes, we get a drop, and then it goes right back up once it scales.
Wait,
This
perhaps
amazing
we should put Quark's pyrotechnics to use.
display of pixelation across the hardware. What the hell am I doing, Mo? Pardon me, what the heck? Okay, here we go, fireworks. My God, that looks good. See how we do. Even on a PlayStation 5, this game still looks
Don't beat yourself up.
like the next
This will be
generation,
just
like it's
old
from the
times.
future.
Come on. It looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Oh, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Oh yeah. What are we gonna pick here? I like the smart bomb glove.
Hey! You
Yes, sir.
have a good eye.
All right, that's all, folks. Let's go.
More goons! Incoming!
Oh! They almost look like they're made of plastic. They look really good. Let's blow some stuff up, Jim. You don't mind if I call you Jim, do you? Yeah. I am definitely not a miracle frame worker. I was just trying to distract it because I went almost down to 60 frames. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been doing too much of that clank. Pardon me. Just because it's a game for kids doesn't mean my channel's for kids, but I will definitely do my best to not have curse words. As much fun as they are. Alright, let's go. Really amazing having all that rendered on the screen.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious!
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
Mr. Clank.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Ride the train to Bountyville!
Has a very healthy frame time. Very, very healthy. Here we go. Oh, 59.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
another 58. So close, eh? Better luck next generation. I will be back with a 5090. Don't you worry. Still sick though. It's not like it dipped that far. Where are we going?
Whoa, watch your head.
Oh yeah.
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
So it's either a flat line of 60 frames or an 80 to 90% average frame rate, depending on how you look at it.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Wicked!
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I do think the beginning of this game
has always
is
been important to you.
the most action-packed and stuff. Once you play through the beginning, it's
That's really thoughtful.
you've seen it all. It's like they, if it was a song, they, oh, we had a nice spike there. That's for sure. I don't think so.
Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Hi, Mama.
Mrs. Zircon is eager to see your selection.
We'll go with the Enforcer.
Mrs.
I don't think I have any other choices.
Facts.
That's a really demanding transition there.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah! I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
So I will say at the counter we've only lost 3 frames in 2 different places.
Get to the floor!
Okay, we will select a weapon, baby.
More butts.
Oh, the frame eaters. Almost like the robotic Langoliers.
Goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot
Let's
let
get this
Nefarious
over with,
overuse
Jimbo. Use my smart bomb.
We must lower his defenses.
Get some,
Did that hurt?
not really. It's pretty hard to hurt the king. That's for sure. Okay, let's, wallop him one. Boom, shakalaka.
Toads are
Please come back here.
so unpleasant.
They are very unpleasant, but they have really amazing graphics, no doubt. Can't seem to get him with the... Have to use the pea shooter. Just while he's back there, once he gets close again, I'll polyp him one with the hand of God.
Nefarious.
Oh, we're out. We're out.
defenses are weakening. Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Oh! He has taken my frames away. Point blank particle effects always hurt things.
Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
My ultimate plan. Perfect.
I get more of the smart bomb. Oh yeah.
And nothing will stop.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80.
Let's end this.
Doesn't matter. Today will be
I am not very good at dodging that one. Alright, come on. I said it was a native 4K assault, and I meant it. You know, you're making me look bad here, Nefarious. Oh. Some point-blank shoddy action. Before those missiles steal more of my frames. There we go. Goodbye.
That crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
All right, time for the main event. See how fast it can do this part.
Dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh, we lost 2 frames. Hasn't stuttered yet. Oh yeah.
Well, it is certainly not good. Where are we?
Riding a 4K dragon through another dimension.
How many arms you got?
What manner of trickery? Get off me, ship! I'll create
Boom, shakalaka. So as you saw, going through the different dimensional portals, I didn't have any noticeable stuttering. I think I almost went as fast as PS5 there. There was a Digital Foundry comparison video where no computer in the world,
Where you lose.
even though they had faster hard drives, would make it through that part as fast as PS5. I think I just set a new record, ladies and gentlemen. Kind of looked like when the 4090 uses frame gen and DLSS and destroys a whole 4K planet in one shot.
What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions.
Definitely an interesting heartbeat on the frame time there.
Wait,
It is
I have
smooth.
to find my friend.
They look like spikes, but you don't feel it.
It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Just remember who I am. If you like me, share me. Ratchet and Clank, ladies and gentlemen. Native 4K. Of course, I'm not going to end the video before you see this part. this area is dardasterous to some, so.
Oh. Clank? Clank? Wombax? What is this place?
Rotate that camera.
Maybe someone around here is.
Oh yeah, we're still liquid crystal smooth.
Have
Yeah.
any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Like green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Get into the bare bones Mahoney of the level. I really think the beginning part's the most demanding of the game, so.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Please let me hold 60 frames behind here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how much stuff is on the screen.
During and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Just kind of bring you into the bazaar here.
Wait a second.
Hi, Mama.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No.
That absolutely
I need
looks
to go after that
amazing.
ship. How can I get off planet?
Like I said, it's a game from the
Says
future.
Only royal starships
Really wish
are
more
allowed
games
to
looked like
leave.
this.
Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
There you are, ladies and gentlemen. The bazaar. So this spot here is absolutely rigorous. It's probably from all the NPCs loafing around stealing the frames. That happens with most games. This CPU configuration handles it very well. There you go. Oh yeah. So,
Oh, great.
I hate to do this to y'all, ladies and gentlemen, but this is the part where I congratulate you on witnessing my 4K assault on Ratchet and Clank in native 4K with ray tracing. So thank you very much for watching. If you like me, share me, and I will be back, Jack. I assure you, I'll be back. Have a good night, everyone. Peace out.